Understanding Breach of Sanctions, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's both relevant and a bit complex. Breach of sanctions. It's a phrase you might come across in news, legal contexts, or discussions about international relations. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's unpack this together, ensuring it's crystal clear for all English language learners out there. Before we delve into what a breach of sanctions entails, let's clarify what sanctions themselves are. Sanctions are penalties or restrictions imposed by one or more countries onto another country, individuals, or entities. The purpose? Usually, to influence behavior, enforce international laws, or respond to activities deemed unacceptable, like human rights abuses or the development of nuclear weapons. Sanctions can take various forms, including trade restrictions, travel bans, and freezing assets. Now, on to breach. In general, a breach is an act of breaking or failing to observe a law, agreement, or code of conduct. When we say someone breaches something, we mean they've violated a specific rule or failed to meet a set standard. It's like breaking a promise or not sticking to an agreement you've made. Combining these concepts, a breach of sanctions refers to the act of violating or not complying with imposed sanctions. This could be a country trading with another under sanctions in defiance of international agreements, a company doing business with entities on a sanctions list, or an individual traveling to a banned destination. Such breaches can lead to serious consequences, including legal action, fines, or further sanctions against those involved. Understanding breach of sanctions is crucial because it highlights how international laws and agreements function in our global society. It emphasizes the importance of countries and individuals adhering to these rules to maintain peace, security, and order worldwide. For English learners, grasping these concepts not only enhances vocabulary but also deepens understanding of current global dynamics. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of breach of sanctions, and why it's a significant phrase in the context of international relations and law. Remember, learning such terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also your understanding of the world around you. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you in the future. Happy learning!